Hello everyone, I am Shima and my topic is education only a job hunting race? Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, Mark Zuckerberg, co-founder of Facebook, and Gautam Adani, founder of Adani Group. Do you know what's common among these people? You might think that these are some of the richest people in the world, and yes, that's true, but there's one more thing they share. They escape the trap that most humans are proudly walking into. Yes, I'm talking about the education trap. In the US alone, more than 5 lakh parents don't send their children to schools. Ironically, most of them are teachers because they know exactly how broken the system is. The education system we've been blindly following since birth wasn't designed to make us creators or thinkers. It was simply designed to make us obedient factory workers. Let me explain you how. Let's go back in time between 1760 and 1840 when the global economy was booming and industrial revolution was at its peak. Before that, people earned money through farming, craftsmanship, and other small businesses. But then machines began to dominate. Factories needed laborers, not thinkers. So, the easiest way to create obedient workers was simple control the minds of the young. At that time, India was under British rule. In 1835, Lord Macaulay introduced English education system in India with a very clear intention to create, as he said, a class of persons, Indian in blood and color, but English in morals, taste, and intellect. In very simple words, to kill the creativity of young Indian minds and make them believe that the only way to earn a living was by serving British people. Think about it. You enter school with very fresh, curious, and creative mind, one that could achieve anything. But soon you are given a fixed combination of subjects and you are told what to study, what to think, and what success means. And by the time you graduate, your only goal becomes get a job. And soon you grow into a person who works tirelessly month after month, waiting for just one paycheck, even if you hate the job you do. And the worst part, you can't easily escape this trap. When you are young, you're too conditioned to question it. And when you finally realize it, it's often too late. Either you are burdened with so many responsibilities, or you simply start believing that this is how life works. Last year, IIT Bombay reported 36% of its students were still unplaced. This proves that lack of education is not the problem. The problem is education, or at least the outdated version of it. So, what's the solution? I'm not telling you guys to drop out of college or simply stop studying because the problem is the outdated version of education which we have. That's not the thing which we can do, but we have two choices. Either we continue running in this job hunting race like everyone else, or we step out of it, learn some new skills, and explore your passion, and actually gain knowledge from those people who have actually achieved something in the real world. So the decision is yours. Thank you.